Welcome to the exciting world of learning and welcome to the exciting world of Albakio International. And today we are going to learn more about shapes. Yes, can you name this shape? This is a circle because it is going round and round. And what's about this one? This is a triangle. Why? Because it is having 3 corners, 3 edges. And what's about this one? Can you name this shape? This is a cone. A cone is a 3D shape consisting of a circular base to a point at the other end. Look at the cone. Wow! Now look at this waffle cone. Do you like to eat it? I just love to eat waffle cone. What's about its shape? It is a cone. Great. Now look at this funnel. This is a funnel. What's about this party cap or party hat? Well, it is also a cone. Great. Now look at this traffic cone. Have you seen it on the roads? It is also a cone. So an ice cream cone, a traffic cone, and a birthday cap are just some common examples of the shape of a cone. Now open your book and try to look at the pictures and color the cones.